What up? Yo, good morning from jail. Yo, disciplined Del Maria. What up? What up? I'm getting my stuff in order here. I'm trying to get day 3 done to get another max payout on Tradeify is really what I was trying to do. That's the real goal here. I just can't every time I trade this account, I get down and then I'm up. Oh, not this one. This is so I could pass this in one day now. So that's a good one. I'm going to let this just sit, and then tomorrow I should be able to pass that one. No, I didn't play the news. Nope, didn't even know it was coming out. This is the one I got to get over. Whew. Well, at least you're back. I caught this bounce at 31. I put it in Discord, actually. This bounce was nice. That was almost a 50-point bounce. Was that right? Yeah. I put that in the Discord early. I was looking for it broke it, so it didn't show it. Where was it? Where was it? I forget why I took it. I think there was an order block there. Oh, it was. It was. I think it was this order block. What up, Sean? I didn't play any 3 bars today. Yeah, I didn't play any 3 bars today. I don't play. Yeah. Oh, yeah. None of them look like the ones I would take anyways. Yo, I caught the bottom. Yo, is it special? Yo, just call me at that time. I caught the bottom of a fair value gap on the hourly, and that was literally the bottom of the day. That's how I caught the bottom. I got to rearrange some of my stuff. What up, Lee? My biggest problem is I don't have everything in front of me at all times. Just seeing what I'm working with here. Maybe push back up and dump it. Oh, this was the previous week high at 589. Let's see if this works. If they pump it just enough. Gotta hold it. Bro, holding is like 80% of the fucking trade. I getting in is easy to me. The hold part, I'm like, ugh. Making some real money. That's good. Just lock in the gains. Lock it in. I'm going to follow in this one.
Order filled.
Am I going to get filled here? What? Dell, that's crazy. Maybe get a quick scalp right under this volume imbalance to the downside. All your money's just vanished? Dude, I wouldn't be copy trading until you're getting payouts on the regular. Copy trading is a great way to make a lot and lose a lot of money real fast. Yo, what up, Racer? Yeah, yo, copy trading is... Dude, copy trading is rough, man. I feel like I would copy trade with lesser contracts. I mean, if you win a lot, my big problem with copy trading is you could just smoke all your accounts at once. Obviously, you can make a lot of money too, and at some point, like I do copy trade sometimes, but man, can you get smoked? We will build back better. That's why you haven't bought it yet. Y'all be honest with you, Sean, for that special time in our hearts. It's really good.
Order filled.
Yo, I just locked in day. I don't even know how many fucking days this was. Performance stats. How many days have I done this? 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's not a big payout, but if I do $200 tomorrow, I could take $600 out. And hell yeah, I'm taking my $600. Lock it the fuck in. Lockout applied. Yeah, I haven't used it in what do you call it in there? Yeah, Scotsman. That's what people don't get. Like, I'll gladly take the $600 profit, the $600 in payouts, because it pays for other accounts. And then when I hit an account for $1,500 or $2,000, like that's what propels me further. But the 600, 500, 300, those payouts are what keeps the train going for you to get the bigger payouts. And they add up. Like I just took 300 from Take Profit Trader out yesterday, but I also took 1,200 from My Funded Futures. But, 300. It keeps it going, and it gives you the cash to get more accounts. And you could say, hey, I'm going to push this harder because I already got 4 payouts in a row of $600, and now let me push it. So this is an eval. This funded account, I took money out yesterday and already locked in another 120. And this is another funded account, and I locked in 225. So I'm actually done in my funded futures. I don't like pushing them early. I like building them up, and then once I have 4 days, maybe go further. So I'm out on that. Wait, what? I did not see that. Yeah, I didn't see it. I'm sure they're going to say they've been doing it forever. I'm sure that, I'm sure they'll all say that they figured it out, or they. We all know where it started. I don't know anybody that was doing it before us, and I looked around. Dude, it's just so funny. I don't do it on the stream anymore, but yeah. Somebody, somebody obviously was in here, and somebody obviously was in here and fucking did it. The market on close order. Ha. Yeah. Yeah. I'll watch it later on, but yeah. Nothing's sacred anymore. Nothing's sacred anymore. It is what it is. I mean, you can't stop people from, whatever. You know. Dude, I should go on a stream with my other account and be like, yo, did you get that from Cove's chat? Because they do it all the time for a while. Because it seems that way. Oh, man. So we had earnings today. You had PayPal, SoFi. Hims had crazy news today, by the way. I don't know if you guys follow Hims. They're teaming up with Navarro for their weight loss thing. SoFi, PayPal. Hood has earnings tomorrow. Yeah. Whatever. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Hey, all I can do is just keep going about my day. People don't get mad. It's just people know where it's from. So funny. I just watched it on my phone. So funny. Whatever. I don't follow him, to be honest with you. He seems like a cool guy. I don't follow him. I've seen him around, but dude, that's like I started doing the duck race, and then Nutty did the duck race, and some other people did the duck race. What can I do? You know, people steal my shit. It is what it is. It's not the first, it's not the last thing people have stolen. I mean, it was an idea. It wasn't my idea, anyways. It was created in here, basically. But no matter what you do, people will steal your stuff. What do they say? Flattery. What is it? When people copy you, it's the best sign of flattery or something like that. I don't know. I forget the quote. Oh, I think we're coming right down to 522. 522, and I am going to take that trade. Got my trade in there. Yeah, I knew he was the big, like, he talks about the orb. That's how I originally saw it, and then I saw him on Patrick. But I don't even know what his orb strategy is, to be honest with you. I've just seen the videos pop up. I don't even know what it is. Like, I don't know if it's something different than other people do. I don't know. Yo, what up, Flip? Oh, is that his imitation? Is the sincerest form of flattery? Yeah. I'm not even going to get into it, but there's a lot of stuff there's a lot of stuff. I've had this happen a lot. I had a company back in the day, and a lot of people copied shit that we used to do. I came up with some really cool shit with Jay, and people copied us. Like shit that was not out there in the world of what we were doing. And I actually came up with the idea, and we did it, and people copied us after they've seen it, and it's still being used today, and it's real interesting. There's a lot of cool stuff, but it is what it is. You just got to keep trucking. You know? I feel like I'm missing a tab. How does that sound? I feel like a tab's gone missing. Where is the tab at? I don't know which one it is. Oh, I added this by mistake. I'm just gonna delete that. Yo, that tab's gone missing. We're in an hourly order block. That's interesting. What's weird about this is like, so this is one big order block, right? But on the 5, it doesn't go all the way down. I don't know why that happens. Wait, you're trading and playing Balloons TD6 on my second monitor? I don't even know what that is. What up, Paul? This indicator, it's pretty cool. I don't know exactly how I want to use it. I don't know exactly what my strategy is with it, to be honest with you. I would say it's interesting. I would definitely say it's interesting. Yeah, how are you? I mean, how are you using it versus like what are you looking for to like are you looking for it to bounce off of like the top of this big order block that we got here? Uh I don't really know. Like you had a bunch of SMTs negative, and then we just kind of went. But on the higher time frame, you had an SMT down here at the pivot point. See, like now we're at the orb right here. This is interesting. Oh, geez. They just ripped it. No, I kept it tight. Yeah, I don't really know. I am gonna play this short though. I'd like to see it close down through and come. I was literally wanting to see it come back to the 9. I think I just kept my stop was just too tight, I think. What's crazy was I was actually up like $100 at first. I should take this, right? 200 and something dollars. See, like I was right. My stop was too fucking tight. What up, Vince? What up, Nasdaq? It was just one of those things that it was just too tight. It doesn't look like a lot. It doesn't look like much, but you can easily have gotten 10 points out of it. I think it's going to go somewhere around 82 and then bounce. The reason I don't think we're going to go all the way down, the reason why I don't think we're going to go all the way down is because we've just kind of been grinding up. I talked about this in our video that like when you come up and then consolidate and then up, it's not, I don't see that as we're going to reject and come all the way back down. Now, if we would have ran all the way straight up and hit it, then I could say, hey, we're going to reject a good amount. But the fact that we consolidated here and now is not a big push. I think eventually we're going to break through and go up. Oh, Maria, you got it? It's solid. Solid. I mean, I'm just saying on the higher time frame, I do think we're going to end up trading higher. Yeah, I mean, that was the imbalance right there. Damn, Maria, you 3-mini'd that? I guess you're done for the day. Like that, I mean, that's $1,200, right? $1,200, 20 points on 3 minis. I would say you're done for the day. What's crazy is if, like, I'm not saying to do it, but we were talking about it. Like, if you copy traded that one trade, you're done for the day. You know, you'd have 1,200 and everything. What's up, Sean? What's up, TiVo? Noel? See, it's just kind of grinding, consolidating. I have the feeling we're going to punch through and go. It just feels. What do we got? Right here, 22, I guess. 22 is the big zone. All right, I'm out. I just got 200. What did I get? $170. The GOAT. The GOAT's in here. What up? Just got to watch out. 622 is going to be interesting. That's kind of where we made the high on Monday. That's where we made the high on Tuesday. And it could be the high where we make it on Wednesday. 622. It's a hot spot. You're up 8%. What's up, Piff? $6.45 before I short. Maybe sweep the highs and come back. I mean, I'm out. Yeah, I think it is difficult today. Oh, you know what? The hourly sweep candle is one I don't have up. That's what I definitely do not have up anymore. I don't know why I don't. There it is. Dude, I knew I was missing something for a little bit. Now I have the hourly sweep candles. No, what's crazy is that this is the one you would have taken. The first 20 minutes of the market, you sweep and came back to the open. London highs are 621. I don't know, man. This looks like there are a lot of highs up here. There are a lot of highs. Who's taking who's risking it for the biscuit? I'm going to take one. I'm going to take one. I'm taking one one mini. Sorry. I'm in one mini and I'm holding it. Oh, you got 6 points? Oh, you did like 20 ticks? Well, I fucking took that off. But I'm going to, on a pop, I'm going to reshort it. On a pop, I'm going to reshort it. I took it in a Top Step account. My idea was to hold it for a long move down, but this shit just dropped 20 points in a minute. Piff, am I trading True Open? What, for like Asia? I have Asia from 8 o'clock to 2 a.m. London is 2 a.m. to 8. It's not like, I know London goes to 11 o'clock, but that's not, no. No. If that's what you're wondering. Come on. Oh. Came down to this imbalance. Let me see. 35. There you go. Evil Squirtsman. Dude, I got to look at that. You like to get long under Tuesday, 12 a.m.? Dude, where's 12 a.m.? $5.47. Yeah, what is that? You play midnight, right, Piff? The midnight open. And if it opens, what is it? Like X amount of standard deviations lower, it comes up to midnight. What's the deal with it? You probably know better than I do. Isn't midnight like a target? Yeah, midnight open, minus 2 3 standard deviation. Yeah. Yep. I have standard deviation on. Like, we didn't even get a half down. Whew. Yo, what up, Akash? What up? What up? I mean, I do believe we're going to go up more. I'd like to see us pop right here. Just a little pop. Maybe we dump. Yo, what up, Cube? What up? What up? Man, it's just freaking tight. Look at that. Look at that. 160 bucks in the PA account real quick. That was just asking for it, too. Asking for it. Oh, man. All right. I need to 50. Is there any drawdown left in this? I got 1,600 drawdown. Let's see what we get here. Do not follow this. Do not follow this. Do not follow at all. This is just an eval that has a very little drawdown left. And there's two options here. We're going to either reject pretty hard right here, or it's going to blow through and you're going to see right up in this zone. So it's kind of a risky trade for an account that's got almost no drawdown left, that this would give me enough points quickly if it hits. And if it doesn't hit, I'm not looking to trade a 150K account that's already $3,000 down in the hole. It's just going to take too long for me to get it back. So, it's just kind of like a strategy in the strategy. It's a strategy within the strategy. Yeah. Anything I do here is never financial advice. Yo, I'll tell you what, though. Somebody was asking. Yeah. I'll tell you what, earnings today smashed for me on a couple stocks, which was awesome. Literally crushed it today. Up 4,600 on it. Come on. Yo, ask your financial advisor if playing an MOC candle is good for you or not. Like, listen, I do this thing at the end of the day. What do you think of this? What do you guys think? See what he says. Oh, this thing's going to are we going to dump out? Yo. What should I wear instead of the hoodie, though? It's almost t-shirt weather. Give me a little credit. It's almost t-shirt weather. It's fucking cold in my office. I think it's only like 62 degrees in this thing. Could be worse. I could be telling you about my 15th Ferrari. I could be telling you about that. Like, yo, here's my 15th Ferrari I just got. Believe me, I know, CT. I know. I wouldn't listen to anybody. I wouldn't listen to anybody. I would obviously consult your own financial person. But if you're looking to ever trade on your own, like, I don't know. I feel like building your own strategy is the way to go. Because everybody looks at the market a different way. Like, how I look at it and how somebody else looks at it. Like, you might be like, I like trading for longer swings. I don't want to scalp. I want to do this. I want to do that. Like, this has like no drawdown either. I always say I try to give a foundation to people, and then from there, I watched a bunch of scam report vids last night. Lambo Raul? Who the fuck is that? Yo, what up, Deba? Yo, how's your day going? I had someone DM me that tried to gaslight me into getting a financial advisor the other day from T-Trade's Discord. What? By the way, T-Trade's a good guy. Do you use his Cube? Do you use his indicator, the T-Trade's indicator? Some kid had a charged Discord and paper trades, Photoshops. Y'all be honest with you. If you don't see account numbers, I don't know. It's a little fishy. I'm big on showing my account numbers because you could see everything. You could see the accounts, you could see what they're up, the total amount. Like it's not, I'm just not showing you, hey, this is my Apex account today. And I don't show you, I don't flip and show you my take profit trader accounts, or I don't show you Tradeify accounts, or Top Step. Like, if you're following, you should have the ability to see the 100% transparent picture of what that person is doing. His PC clock and his platform clock were way off. Oh, jeez. Yo, people don't realize when they Photoshop, there's like so many little things. Like, I don't even know how to use Photoshop, to be honest with you. But I know when you look at a fake image, like there's so many little things that you can compare all the way down to like fonts and, like you said, time of day, and like it's just little things that you could just tell it's a fake image. And I'm sure there's expert Photoshoppers out there that are like amazing. But dude, I love fucking the scammers getting caught. Fucking hysterical. Hysterical, hysterical. Here, I'll open this up for 3 more minutes. I imagine AI's. Dude, when he said he was making 40 grand a day and then showed me where he lived in his broken ass garage in his driveway, that's all I needed to know. And none of his things had dates on it. I'm going to take a little Shorty McShorterson right here. $115. I need to get $150 in this account to lock in another day. Dude, he was a kid that tried fucking. He came in like he was nice sometimes, and then he wasn't ragging on me at all, but he just kept saying like it was easy, but he was photoshopping, I believe. I didn't kick him out or anything. I let him hang. Yo, what up, Truth? Keith's in here. It's a nice little pocket short where you bounce back up into the 934 pocket, can't break it, and then you roll back. Damn, if I would have just held out, I'd been done for the day. Would have been done. I'm at max payout land too. I think I get $1,750 this week. What is this, Wednesday? Wednesday's day 3. Friday, I can request it. So weird. Oh, I fucking chased that. I'm out of that. I chased it like a fucking moron. What do you think? We turn around this volume imbalance right here at 520? Yo, what up, GA? So you can only take out Tradeify right here. You can only take out $1,500 on your first payout, $1,750 on your second payout. I don't know what the others are. I think there's like 5 or 6 levels. So I already took out the first max. Obviously, I'm over for the second max already, but I need I need 3 more days of $150. So if I can do $150 right here and lock in day 3, like there's no point in really trading it, because if I trade it hard, it doesn't matter because I can't pull the money out. Right? Like I can only pull out $1,750, and I already have $1,750 in there. So it doesn't really pay to keep trading it as normal. I was waiting for it to hit this imbalance, but there. Oh, fuck, dude, man. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you too good for your home? Oh, Jesus. Yo, how hard is it to get $17? How hard is it to get $17? Dude, what's $17 on how many ticks is $17? So $200. I guess $20 is 4 ticks, right? So I'll get 5 ticks. Oh, yo, you guys are about to see how hard it is to get $17. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, Jesus. Jesus, that just happened. Bro. I can't believe that just happened. Oh, I'm doing great today, actually. We're not going to hold it. Are we going to hold it? I know it's like a bear flag, but I feel like they just swept the 200 to touch this imbalance to bring it back up. Nope. Dude, that's crazy. Oh, are you kidding me? Then they just bottom tick me and do that? Yo, what up, Corey? Yo, they literally just bottom ticked me and then just ripped this thing. That's fucking crazy. I just needed fucking $17. I asked Jay the question. Oh, Corey, it's a SIM account. You have a SIM account right now. It's a practice account. They're just letting you practice. Oh. I felt like I should have taken my fucking quick $60. I'm just out before this fucking pops. I got one trade left in me in this account. If it's red, I'm just saving it till I'm saving it to the end. You're right in this fair value gap. I don't even want to look at it. You got VWAP here. You think it would at least trade back into 46 land, right? This is the fair value gap on the 5 I was talking about. So we hit in here. I figured they'd trade it at least to 4. I said 46. I just got $200 back. That's kind of what I needed to get the account back. Yeah, yo, Corey, it's they let you trade it as like a free account just to keep a practice account. That's all. Yo, what up, Logan? What up? What up? Yeah, so it's a practice account. I fell for it one time. I started trading it, Corey, and then I was like, "What's the deal?" And then somebody told me that yeah, it's a practice account. So don't get excited. Don't get too excited. But yeah. Yo, we have big earnings tomorrow. The next 2 days, we got big earnings coming up. We have earnings on Wednesday and Thursday. They're going to move the market. You got Apple, Microsoft, Qualcomm, and Amazon. Just get ready, boys and girls. That's probably what's going to direct the market going forward for a little bit. Not fucking moving. Oh. But yeah. I would definitely look at that. I'm going to play the earnings, obviously. Obviously, I'll be playing the earnings. This is kind of choppy if you look at it. Yo, what up, Grizz T? Do you guys love going on these what is it, a raid? Oh, trying to make $1, man. Just trying to make $17. They couldn't give me 17 bucks. Unbelievable. That's how hard 17 bucks is. I don't know how interested. I mean, this is right in the middle of the zone. I mean, oh, motherfuck, that was nice. Oh, baby. Right off the volume and balance in the 200 for 175. $17 clams. Yo, that's all I needed. Yo, I'm trying to push this one over, though. I would love to push this over and get my 150 bucks today. The crazy part is when I sold, I was up 170, and I don't know, when I hit the button, it gave me only 133. So I was like, what's up with that? Then I can get, yo, I want one of those Clambo pictures again. This is an in and out. Give me a pop and I'm out. I thought that said 50 bucks. Fuck me. It was $5. I just need 150. Let's see what's actually going on. We're going back in this fair value gap on the 5. We're still hanging above the 200, above VWAP. We're right at the weekly open here, too. I kind of like that we're at the weekly open. See if it holds. I don't like that we just traded into this fair value gap and rejected, obviously. Are they going to hold it or no? Doesn't look like it. Fuck. Is there a way for my stop loss as a line on Tradeovate? Yeah. So like, yo, I didn't mean to buy it. I didn't. Yeah, you mean like that where you can put. So see where it says ATM. You click this button. You turn it on. You go to TP and S plus SL, and you put your take profit and stop loss. And this is in ticks. That's in ticks. All good. Oh, you could change it to money? I didn't even know that. I've never even tried, actually. Oh, you can show in ticks or dollar value. Ah, I leave it on ticks, personally. I like, dude, money value is pretty good, though. Got monies and points. I wonder if the money changes. So, like, if you do if you put this tick's value, say you have $100, right? If you go in with 1 or 3 minis, well, I'm guessing it will move the stop loss around. Yo, that shit was fucking delayed. I should have taken my $70 is what I should have done. It's exactly what I should have fucking done. I don't know. I took my money off. Fucking it's getting iffy. Yo, what up, Garen? Yeah. That's kind of how I thought it would go. I didn't know that. I like the ticks, to be honest. It just keeps it reals. Keeps it reals. Yeah, I just think the ticks is just, I know 40 ticks is 10 points. 10 points on one mini is $200. And I just kind of math it out. Yo, later, BK. Hopefully you're getting something good. Dude, where did I get that? Remember that time I said I was going out and I got that sandwich? And it was a roast beef sandwich with lettuce, tomato, onion. Oh, dude, I wasn't at here. I was at my friend's place. Fuck. Dude, I would have done it. I would have made it all back. Yeah, I don't trade ES ever. Yeah. It kind of looks like it's just going to roll over. Kind of looks like we're going to just roll. I should have just held from 500. Would have got me where I needed to be. What up, Brandon? Free humanity. Free humanity. Are you trading? What's up? Dude, this is just very choppy action. Free longs? I don't know, man. I'm looking. $38 to the downside is out of this fair value gap. Am I going to take? I feel like I'm going to regret this. I feel like there's going to be a regret. Yeah, I would have regretted that instantly. I don't think you can. Can you donate points? Getting chopped to pieces today, Brandon? Yeah. I would definitely watch out. Definitely being cautious here. Sean, it didn't work. The donation didn't work. Yo, he just told you checks in the mail. Checks in the mail for 100 points. Bro, this everything I do in this account sucks. I was $17. Checks being converted from pounds. Oh, if you buy and sell really fast on TPT, the commissions will eat you up, and then it'll lower it. Man, actually looks pretty good on the 5. I can't buy up here though. I can't buy up here. I'm just waiting it out. I had my fucking thing in way too tight. I had my thing and it was way too tight. I'm in it here and I'm up. I knew it was too tight. I fucking knew it was. Watch, we're gonna come down. Oh, jeez. If I get stopped, it's a free trade, but I knew it was in too tight on that other fucking account. Oh. Now I just gotta save that account for later on. Streamlabs is drunk. What are you guys trying to do? Duel for points? Brandon Long from 543. That's solid. It gets iffy for me as we start to head into lunch. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Yo, you trying to get Sean a full port? I'm just looking on my phone to see what's going on here. There's no 3 bars today. There's no 3 bars today. There's no. I missed the 9:30 drift. I forget what I was doing. Completely whiffed at 9:30. I got the oh geez. Bro, they're setting you up. They're setting you up. I see the setup from a mile away. Bro, how do you not see the setup? They got you. Yo, I can only see people that have at least 1 point, Sean. If you don't have 1 point, you're not even going to show up on here. They're going to, what do you call it? Consolidate right here. Probably target 600 again. Come on. A little consolidation action. Oh. Watch, this next candle is going to go all the way back up. Watch that shit. All the way back up. Be like a manipulation candle, and then it goes. Look at this. Look at this. I think you're going to come all the way back up and over. Up and over. They dump it real quick, suck everybody out, and then pop it. Yeah, I mean, I would normally get out already because it's up. I just have this feeling they're going to bring it all the way back up. Usually they manipulate it, flag it, manipulate down, pop, consolidate, and then go. It's kind of what I'm looking for right now. Dude. These guys want commission so bad. All right, I got all my money back. I do think it's going to keep going, though. Going for it. Yeah, I don't want to let my I mean, we're winning, so I want to just keep taking it to the freaking. Yo, you guys are getting wild today. Oh. Yo, Sean, how many points you got? Are you in the system yet? I'll add. Order block, order block, order block. $100K, $100K, $100K. Come on. We romping? Liquidated. Yo, you got liquidated. Yo, you got to probably wait within 5 minutes. It'll pop in. Yo, anyone see Ray lately? Anybody know where Ray is? Yo, what up, ZK? Yeah, that's awesome. A nice open. Hey, that's what's great about trading is you could be done by 10 a.m. and have the day to yourself. Yeah, Knob, I'm seriously interested. Oh man. Uh yeah, I mean I don't know where he is. He was hanging out on the stream. The last time I saw him, he was hanging out on voice with us. Thanks, Discipline. He was hanging out on the stream with us. And then all of a sudden, I haven't seen him ever again. Dude, that was a while ago, Code. Dude, I don't know what happened to him though. He was just hanging, and then I don't know. He was just gone. Oh, baby. Come on. Just a quick bouncy McBouncerson. There we go. There we go. Just add to this shit, Nick. Dude, I can't even keep up with the chat today. Stone isn't responding. He's on Apex Portal now, loading up. What? Ray is probably on a brocation. Dude, he did travel around a lot. He definitely traveled around a lot. I don't know. I just haven't heard from him in a while. Dude, you guys are freaking crazy today. All right. I'm going to eat lunch. I'm starving. This market is just chopping around. We're going to do an account giveaway today at 2 o'clock. Yo, post it, ZK. I'm going to grab some lunch. Sorry today was more boring than normal. I mean, we really didn't do anything for fucking 2 hours. It's super lot of chop. Lot of chop. Other than that, I'll be back at 2 o'clock. We'll do an account giveaway. If you want to support the stream, use the code below. And if you want, come hang out in the Discord. I'll probably be in there in a little bit. All right. I will see you guys in a little bit. Yeah, kind of a lame day, Sean. Yeah. Peace.